Hello everyone. Today is 10 tips how to fishing for the beginner. The very first one is you want to make sure the fishing gear is appropriate for the size that you're going to get the fish when you're going to your fishing trip. The second one is you want to match your lure to the water of the color like brown, green, dusty. The third one is your lure shapes and size is matter for matching with the hatch, which is mean like you want to make sure your lure that's very serve for the fish that they want it to bite. The fourth one is you want to make sure your lure are swimming like a real manner, whatever the nature they are. The fifth one is you want to make sure that you're fishing at the sunrise or the sunset would be the best suggest. And the sixth one, you want it to make sure you got the right drags of your reel. The seventh one is the fishing line I would recommend is 4 to 12 pound test. The eighth one, you want to make sure you're conscious about your surrounding with the tide and the current. The ninth is you always want to use the new hook that's sharp. The 10 is you want to make sure you do a pre-fishing research before you go into the water. If you like this, please subscribe, like, and if you want to connect with me, Meow the movie in America, you can use this QR code add for Twitter, and this is the snapshot for the QR code adding. And thanks for watching. Also, if you like to subscribe and like my channel, that would be great appreciated. I also have a few more video that's on my channel. If you like to see a fall migration, or you want to see where the salmon hatchery in Yuba River, or how to fishing at the man